You're busy all day, emails, meetings, messages, and tasks. But at the end of the day, it still feels like you've got nothing important done. If that sounds familiar, you're not the problem. The way you're working is. Hi, I'm Jason, and welcome to the channel where I focus on communication, leadership, and building career skills. Today, we're talking about why you always feel busy but don't feel productive. Let's be honest, most people confuse being busy with being effective. They fill their day with activity, but avoid the work that actually moves things forward. So in this video, I'll break down the 5 key skills you need to stop spinning your wheels and start getting real results. Number 1, you don't prioritize properly. The first problem is simple. You're working on the wrong things. Not all tasks are equal. Some tasks move your career forward, while others just keep you occupied. Here's an example. You spend an hour replying to emails, but avoid starting that important report or project. At the end of the day, you've been busy, but nothing meaningful got done. This is an important skill to learn. You need to learn prioritization. You need to ask yourself, what actually matters today? Number 2, you get constantly distracted. This is a big issue. You're constantly interrupted with notifications, emails, messages, people asking questions. Your focus is broken all day. Here's an example. You try to work on something important, but check your phone every few minutes or switch tasks before finishing anything. So everything takes longer and nothing gets completed properly. You need to learn to focus and deep work. You need uninterrupted time to actually produce quality work. Number 3, you say yes to everything. This is a big one. You say yes to every request, every meeting, every task. Before you know it, your day is full, but not with your priorities. Example, you agree to help others all day, but push your own work to the side. You need to learn how to set boundaries. You don't need to say yes to everything, but you need to do the valuable work. Number 4, you don't finish what you start. Another common mistake, starting too many things and finishing none of them. You jump between tasks based on what feels urgent in the moment. Here's an example. You start a task, you get halfway through, then you switch to something else, and you repeat that all day. Task completion is super important. You need to focus on finishing one thing at a time before moving on to the next. Number 5, you don't plan your day, meaning you don't have a clear path. So your day controls you instead of you controlling your day. Example, you start work reacting to emails instead of working from a clear list of priorities. You need to learn daily planning. Even a simple plan can completely change how productive you are. And we're now at the action plan. If you want to fix this, this is a simple plan that you can follow. Start your day with a clear plan. Write down your top priorities before you begin. Focus on what actually matters. Identify 2 to 3 tasks that will make the biggest impact. Block out any distractions and concentrate on the 30 to 60 minutes of focused work that makes a difference. Be aware of your habits. Notice when you're getting distracted or avoiding work. And lastly, finish what you start. Aim to complete tasks before switching. If you just apply these consistently, you'll start seeing results very quickly. Conclusion. At the end of the day, being busy doesn't mean being productive. It's not about doing more. It's actually about doing what matters. If you can build these skills, you'll not only get more done, but you'll feel more in control of your time and your career. And if you want to take this further, we are giving away a free career skills course. Click the link below. There's a couple of steps here to follow. So go to the free information pack section and fill the form in. And in the phone number area, just type free YouTube course. That way we'll know it's come from this particular video. And then we will send you out the course login details so you can start the course. It's a great course. It goes through a lot of detail and the most important career skills you need. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.